Okay, so this is an exciting video, guys. Let me slow it down a little bit real quick. This is an exciting video because there's a few new things going on with the Eclipse here. I got brand new tires, Nitto NT05s, grippy as fuck. 235 by 40, 18 all around, squared, and I found the mounts to my front strut tower brace, so for the longest time I was just running one in the rear. Now I got one in the front again. So testing that out, and I got my, what's it called? I got my, damn, what's that thing called? My SPAL 12-inch electric fan. Replaced the Mishimoto one, so we're gonna see how the car does if it finally stops overheating while I'm up here driving. Yeah, so that's what we're testing today. Today's a good day. It's a Friday. We're gonna go up to Newcomb's Ranch, and for sure we're gonna see some dope cars because I've already been seeing some Porsches and stuff go by and Subis and everything come down. So it's in the morning time right now, and that's when everybody likes to come out and have fun on Friday morning. So that's what we're doing here, and I'm going to be giving you guys a review on the car and how it's doing as far as cooling and these tires. And I finally get to push the car because now everything is not feeling sketchy. Like, my tires are new, brakes are strong, and hopefully the car is cooling. So we got some open road ahead of us, and we're gonna give it a go. Woo! So immediately, I'm going into corners faster. You can hear the tires, but she's gripping. I definitely feel less body roll, but man, she feels amazing. Oh my God, Acura NSX. Dude, there's so much stuff out here today. Woo! Yeah, definitely driving faster than I've ever done before. Granted, my tires were bald before, but man, car is running a little hot. Hopefully she doesn't overheat, but yeah, she's cooking a little bit. But man, these tires are nice. But man, she hooks! Woo! She's on rails, man. And these brakes, man, they really give me confidence. I mean, oh yeah, we putting these tires to work today. Still feel a bit of a body roll, but not terrible. Gotta say, this is nice. About to catch up to some traffic, so we're gonna have to chill down. Wow, these are nice. These are nice. Oh snap! These are nice, yo. So as far as the strut tower brace, it's a little hard for me to say because I put it on with the new tires, but I definitely feel a difference. I took it off because I felt like I didn't feel a difference, but I actually feel a difference. It doesn't roll as much, which is very nice. It makes it feel more flat, and when I'm transitioning, it's not like wallowing from left to right. It's actually very, very enjoyable. So the next thing for this car is to put in different bushings, because all of my upper control arm bushings are shot. Like, the rubber's gone, and I know that's definitely affecting handling and just overall ride quality. So I have some polyurethane bushings that I bought like 2 years ago, but I never put them in because, well, I thought I would be able to do it myself, but it's quite challenging, so I never did it. And then after that, sway bars. And I think that'll Let's go. Let's go catch that bike. We're reeling them in. We're reeling them in, folks. Oh yeah, we caught him. We caught the biker. Cars can eat up bikes, man, in the canyon. Like, you got a driver that knows how to drive, they will eat your ass up. Damn. Some of these turns downhill left fucking feel insane. Woo! Oh shit, sending it, god damn. Oh shit. Bro, that should be mad scary, dude. That should be mad scary, sending it into the goddamn corners. And you're just like, fuck, I hope these tires hook. Aw shit, here comes the show. We about to pull up, we about to see what's at the party. Porsche. Damn, there might not be anywhere for me to park. Checking out this M3 right here. This thing is nice. This paint job and these wheels, dummy. I don't know if you can see in there, Recaro's thing is lit. Damn, that's nice. Wow. I don't know all my Porsche models, but I kind of fuck with this one right here. You know, he be driving, look at that brake, that stuff. Stick shift. Uh-oh, we got a nasty city right here. Ooh, little bug out. Shit looks good. Vicious. Got a Supra. We got the yellow soup right here. Looking lit. Datsun 2000. This thing is wet. Check this out. Stick shift. Thing is clean, man. Oh look, you got the Zenith tires on there. Hella nice. And then we got the McLaren. There's always at least one supercar right here. I don't even think I've seen this model before. But the thing looks crazy. Yeah.
Yeah, that's exactly it. I might, I'm like kind of dodging today.
Like that stick shift, that shit is nice. Battery about to die. I was like, what is this on the car? But it's a plant potted in a like go-kart tire. That's so crazy. Check it out right there. And then we got my baby right here. She looking nice too. She in the cut in the back, away from the attention. But they got recognized. People showed some love. Oh, got ourselves a victim. There's a wasp. Ah! Look at that.
You think you can get a picture of me?
Rest in peace. Alright, about to come screaming. No, really slow down. License plate says red, man. This is nice. 4.0 GT3. Stick shift. That's badass.
Yeah, because it's we're up in higher elevation.
So is this one.
Oh, that's a beautiful Porsche though.
Come in.
I kept
Audi R8, baby.
almost kept up with it. I mean, it's like, you know what? I'm 63 years old. I don't
Talking
need
about
to drive
handling.
that.
Well, I'll smoke y'all.
Yes, I.
All right, we're back in the car. That was dope, you know. Got to see some cars. Some people were actually stoked to see the DSM, which was pretty awesome. So now I'm gonna head out. So now we're just gonna have a nice little run. We're gonna push this thing. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Downhill run. Holy crap! This thing is insane, bro! Oh my god, it's on rails right now. Brakes work fantastic. We're gonna fly by the people at Newcombs. Let them hear about this 2G, baby! Damn, driving this car just gets my adrenaline going. Woo! God, she just comes on so strong. Holy crap! Holy crap! That was insane, bro. That was insane. Oh my god. Yo, my heart's beating fast, dude. Flew by Newcombs Ranch at like almost 100 miles an hour. Holy shit. Damn, these tires is good. Nitto NT05s, go get them, boy. Hey, sponsor me, Nitto. Jesus. Woo! Good Lord. Damn, bruh. I don't know, man. Like, going fast in a car in the canyons is just... That shit is scary, bro. It's scary.